Guns America. We're at SHOT Show 2025 Range Day, and I'm at the Alien booth right now, and you guys know these guys for having the pistols. This is the original here. This is their race gun, but the barrel sits down here low in the grip. The slide moves above it. So you get very low recoil impulse here. And what I'm holding in my hand is their brand new compact version. It's called the Remus, and it's designed to be their concealed carry gun. It actually is a lot smaller. It's a 15+1 mag, 4-inch barrel. It has a manual safety on it that you kind of is unique, as in that it flips over instead of just up or down. Really interesting. It's got this gold tone trigger here, a loaded chamber indicator up here, and of course we've got a aim point mounted on it as well. So it's the texture on it's really nice. You got serrations on the front. There's no front sight. Obviously we're running a dot here, so I haven't shot it yet. So let's give it a go and just see what it shoots like. So in order to rack this, you actually have to hold this button down as you push, and then it allows you to actually rack the slide. So kind of interesting as well. Unique for sure. So the recoil impulse is much more straight back into your hand. It doesn't feel like it flips nearly as much as a normal gun with the barrel that much lower. So Alien, you can go check it out. There's going to be a full write-up on Guns America, so if you want to know more about it, see more specs, go check it out there. But really interesting, unique pistol.